What kind of house do you think the richest and most influential man on Earth would live in? Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and founder of SpaceX, who was recently crowned Time's Person of the Year, has got a unique taste, which is quite different from other billionaires. Unlike other billionaires with expensive taste living in luxurious homes, Elon Musk has got the exact opposite taste. Recently, he announced that he had moved into one Tesla's tiny self-sustainable housing model priced at $50,000, a house costing far less than the latest Tesla sedan car. So, why would the richest and most influential man on Earth prefer a tiny sustainable house to a mansion? Find out in this video. Hi guys, welcome back to Glancy Tech, where we take you through all you need to know about Elon's tiny home project. If you were one of the top 10 richest men on planet Earth, would you ever think of living in a tiny apartment? Or does it depend on what the tiny house looks like? For many of us, our dream houses are expensive mansions, but it seems Elon Musk tends to think differently from the rest of us. Elon Musk, the richest man in the world, who sold 7 out of 8 luxurious houses worth millions he owns, and just when you're thinking to yourself, oh, he might just want to own one and live there, only for him to sell it and move into a tiny house. The CEO of Tesla firm, SpaceX, and Neuralink is worth $236.8 billion net worth, and he moved into a tiny home in Texas worth $50,000. What could make a man like him pick a tiny home over a big, luxurious, high-class home? Elon Musk has established himself as one of the foremost leading industrialists in our world, with innovations and inventions spreading into a different sector of human involvement. It just seems as if we haven't seen the best of this guy, as he keeps announcing innovations rocking and shaking our world. He has made innovations in the automobile industry, space industry, mobile phones, and internet connectivity, and now he's moving into the real estate business. Sometime in June 2021, a tweet by Elon Musk got us to know that he has moved into a tiny home of 4,000 square feet. This coincided with a period in which a post by Boxable, dated back a few months before Elon made his announcement, the company had announced that they just finished a project for a top-secret client with whom they rendered their services of constructing a tiny house. Just a few weeks later, it was being rumored that the secret client and that the project Boxable worked on might be Elon Musk's very own building. Imagine being able to construct an actual house which could be boxed up and easily shipped to any part of the world. Well, this appears to be the next big thing Elon Musk wants to introduce us to. It's a tiny home that's built in a factory. It could carefully be folded into a shipping container and transported to a new location. It could then be installed in the new location on arrival. Interestingly, the tiny building comes with everything needed for normal housing, like electricity, plumbing, and air conditioning, all pre-installed. It is a cool project that would change the real estate sector forever. We know Elon Musk has a penchant for producing something quality and befitting. He has often said that his goal is to change the world by offering solutions to some of the problems affecting our world. Currently, this is what Elon Musk has been up to. In the real estate and housing sector, one of the challenges of building a house is the fact that the materials for building easily get degraded. And for this house system, research was made to use the best materials possible that'll avoid or reduce degradation. Steel concrete and EPS foam were concluded to be the best, alongside laminated panels for walls, floors, and roofs. This building uses LED lighting and is constructed from insulation technology, making it energy efficient. It is built to resist extreme weather conditions like floods and wind, with a snow load capacity that can be retrofitted in areas where needed. A little tour in Elon Musk's home shows a living room, washroom, a kitchen, bed space, and a studio. And though everything about this tiny home might just be a mirror of what Tesla has in store for this project and its customers, we also know how passionate Elon Musk is about living with less carbon footprint. So there's more to Tesla's tiny home for sustainable living, which brings us to examine the features of this home. Elon Musk hopes to advance the adoption of green energy across every one of our lives. He has helped us to embrace electric cars and batteries. Now it seems that he wants us to embrace green energy-powered houses. Why do we say so? The house is green energy optimized, as the house is properly built to maximize green energy. Tesla's tiny home is built with a rooftop solar panel of 4.1 kilowatts, which generates energy from the sun to power the home with clean energy, and it comes with a 25-year guarantee with the ability to store and use power 24 hours a day and generate energy even when installed on the slanted part of the roof, or if there isn't a constant ray of sunlight, confirming it as a superior technology entity. As it is made, the close to the roof gives a pleasing aesthetic look. Excess energy obtained by this panel is stored in a system known as power walls. With the power walls, energy can easily be stored for future use from roof panels and also by automatically recharging itself with sunlight. It can detect any power outage if there's no electricity. It can be installed in interior spaces or outdoors or both to get more energy storage. Thus, alongside the Tesla rooftop solar panel, Tesla Tiny Home is fully powered and ready for any outages. It's also safe because even when outside your home, you can control power in your home with the Tesla app monitor that comes with the Tesla Tiny Home. Tesla app monitor can be configured and operated as a real phone with notification features. I guess you just get a pop-up message like power outage, preparing connections to back up, accept or decline, so you accept and Powerwall backup connected pops up, and you are grateful for this technology because even though you're remotely far from home, whatever needs constant power in your home is safe because of the Home app that helps you control your home from wherever. Tesla Tiny Home also comes with a charging outlet that, of course, comes with a Tesla automobile and a bit to encourage a sustainable lifestyle and reduce carbon emission on which this project is based. Tesla's World Charger also helps a Tesla car owner with the stress of going to a public charging location because you can wake up to a fully charged electric car from the comfort of your home or charge in a hurry as it's built to charge speedily. Apart from the need for less carbon emission, which this project aims to reduce, it also helps the user to save money. This, I believe, is very important. We all know how important money is and why we should save. Research has shown that those who live in tiny homes usually have more to save than those who live in bigger houses. Living in a tiny home would no doubt save you some costs. Tesla's Tiny Home is of no exception. It also allows buyers to save more money while still retaining the quality of a bigger house. This would possibly help middle-income earners own a house without tearing the bank to get a decent accommodation. Already, Elon Musk has shown himself to be a modest guy who loves to live a low-key life, even with the billions of dollars in the bank account. For example, he once had several mansions spread across the United States of America, but as of now, he sold them all, with the last mansion sold last year. Elon instead opted to stay in one of those boxable, prefabricating houses, which cost about $50,000. In summary, it appears these tiny homes could be the new housing trend, even as Elon Musk has already shown us that it's a big deal now. Considering the number of followers and adherent supporters of Elon Musk, it won't be surprising to see many more people adopt, especially his fans and fellow billionaires follow suit. And I must say, it would really be interesting to see this happen. But what do you think about these tiny homes? Do you like them? Do you prefer these tiny homes to mansions? Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section. If you found this video entertaining and enlightening, I want you to like, share, and push the subscribe button for more updates from Glancy Tech.